Hello, this is Julia Morgan, the CEO of Pal Toys. We're excited to be able to bring our award-winning Bright and Beyond activity cards into the palm of your hand with our new apps developed for the Apple iPhone and iPod Touch. When you first open the app, you will have three options on the home page: to view the main card group, to view favorites, or view the About Us page. We'll start by viewing the main card group. When you're viewing a card group, you'll have the option of viewing all, which will allow you to flick through and flip all the cards one after the other, or you can use the alphabetical index to go right to the activity you want. Let's look at View All. The first two cards are introduction cards, and they explain that these activities involve adult participation and remind you of the common sense methods of keeping your child safe. There are 52 activity cards in each app. It is easy to view each card by sliding your finger to flick the cards along and pressing the text or illustration button in the upper right to flip the card. Some of the cards have more than one activity on them. In these cases, you will notice subtitles on the illustration side of the card to prompt you that there are other ideas and you may want to view the text side. In many cases, we mention ways to simplify an activity or increase its challenges. But please remember, all children are different. If your child doesn't seem to understand or enjoy the activity, move on to a different one. Come back to the first activity in a month or so, and you can try it again. You may be perfectly happy choosing activities from the main card group to play, but sometimes you might feel that you want to cull out some special cards for a play date, or ideas that are good to do in the car. This is where favorites come in. When you tap a card once in the main card group, you will have the option to navigate directly to the app's home page or favorites page. Let's look at favorites. The favorites page is initially populated with an empty folder called Favorites, several folders that are pre-filled with activities that develop certain skills, for example, language skills, and also an empty hidden cards folder. You wanted to add a Playdate folder, and you can do this by pressing the folder with the plus sign on it, entering the name of the folder, and pressing Save. You can also move folders using the Edit button. So, how do we add cards to these folders? In the upper left of all cards, you'll see a little star with a plus sign. That's the button to add the card to a folder. I'll add a couple of cards to my Playdate folder. The cards stay within the main card group, but are also added to my new Playdate folder. Let's talk about hidden cards. Hiding a card removes it from view in the main card group and any unlocked folders. So now I'll return to the main card group and hide the two intro cards because I've already read and understand them. I do this by pressing the star with the plus sign in the upper left of the card. I select the hidden cards folder and OK the move. They are removed from view until you choose to unhide them. I can always return hidden cards to the main card group by choosing to unhide when viewing the cards in the hidden cards folder. So there's a quick look at how to navigate through one of the activity idea decks available for the iPhone and iPod Touch. Light versions of many of our decks are available too and have simpler navigation tools and fewer options, as well as fewer cards. The Bright and Beyond app is simple and flexible. We hope you enjoy the activities with your child and find our new app easy and intuitive to use. Feel free to contact us with questions or comments, or visit us on the web at www.paltoys.com.